I'm at the airport waiting for a flight that I booked 2 days ago because although I had this trip planned for a long time, 2 days ago the flight I originally had planned to take to London was canceled because the airline went bankrupt. So I had to book this flight 2 days ago, and it just happens to be about the same time my other flight was going to be. It was about a little over $200 more, but at least it doesn't ruin my plans. So waiting to board, hoping nothing else is ruined during this trip. So getting through customs and getting a ticket for the underground was not as easy as I thought it was going to be. I ended up waiting in a huge line, took a couple hours, but now I'm waiting for the train to central London. I'm going to see what I can do in just like an hour before I have to go to the next airport, and I think the train's coming. I made it to London proper. I got a cappuccino to help with my tiredness, but it's so rainy, I really don't want to leave from underneath the covering. And at Westminster Station there's a lot of cool places to look at. The London Eye, the big Ferris wheel is there, the Big Ben is over there, Buckingham Palace is not that far over there, but I really don't feel like getting too wet, so I'm just sitting here for now enjoying my coffee. I know it's hard to tell, but behind me is Big Ben, but it's going under some kind of construction or something because of all the scaffolding around it, so trust me, this would be a nice view under different circumstances. So when I was at the airport, I waited in line a long time at a visitor information desk, and I waited there way too long because I thought that's where you get tickets for the underground. But I think it worked out because the lady convinced me to get a full day ticket to ride the subway and the buses all day long at my pleasure, which really works out since the weather's so rainy. I probably don't want to do as much walking as I originally intended, and so I'm just taking the train from stop to stop, looking from the protection of the little roof that they have on the train station, and then getting back on the train and going to another stop. I made it to my final stop on my Avoiding the Rain tube tour of London. I'm at Liverpool Station. It's sort of like Penn Station or Grand Central Station from what I can tell. They have different eateries, and I'm going to see if I can find like fish and chips or something just to complete my tour of London in a London sort of way, but we'll see what we can do. So I'm at Stansted, something like that, Stansted Airport now. I'm safe from the rain, and I'm at a pub, and I ordered fish and chips with mushy peas. So I'm happy I'm gonna get some fish and chips after all, even though I avoided getting them in the city because of the rain. I've never had mushy peas before. They sound kind of gross, but I'm curious. And I can smell other people's dishes and they smell really good. Maybe I'm just really hungry. I don't know, am I supposed to eat the mushy peas with the french fries? The french fries are good. They're really fatty and they're mushy inside. Let me try these mushy peas. They're good, they taste healthy, which is good, right? You don't want it to be overly oiled or buttery. And now for the true test. Ah, the fish, the little tartar sauce. That's good. That is really good. I'm really hungry, but I think that's really good. The batter's nice and thick and crunchy.